Hello Tech Explorers, want to sign up for Immersity AI but not sure how? No worries, I have got you. Let's get you set up in just few steps. First, open your browser and search for Immersity AI. Once you find the official website, tap on the link to open it. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you heard of Immersity AI before? Or is this your first time signing up? Let me know in the comments below. Now, look for the sign up button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Tap on it to begin the registration process. Next, enter your email address and create a strong password. Some sign up forms may also ask for a username. Just pick something cool and unique. At this point, you may need to verify your email. Check your inbox, open the verification email and click the link inside. This step is super important. Once verified, you are all set. You have successfully signed up for Immersity AI and can now explore its features. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment. See you in the next one.